take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
y'all, welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I'm Tamika, just country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. So yeah, hey, December 15th, the name will go back, okay, to Mississippi Girl Life in some type of way, okay. So if you're new and you're confused, because a lot of y'all been saying y'all confused, I was running a trial on a different name for the channel, but it's not working out, so I can't change it back to December 15th. With that being said, let's go ahead and get to what's going on in this video. So I just took care of my quails, the fruit that I do have. The other ones is inside. I just took care of them for at least the next 3 days. A lot of food, a lot of water, and they be good to go. And then I'll pick up eggs again in about 3 days. So I'm in one of my greenhouses. I am going to be doing another way to heat up the greenhouse. So my heater is fine, but what I'm worried about is how much electricity that heater pulls, because when it's in my small greenhouse and I got my lights and something on, it dims everything. It's pulling so much. So yes, I'm gonna keep my greenhouse heater, because you know, you ain't gonna throw it away or nothing. But I am gonna try another method, and I know this is gonna work because I used it for my chicken coops. I am gonna just do simple heat lamps. So I've been learning my greenhouses and stuff like that, and my cold weather one is fine because that's not supposed to be in the cold. But my two, this one that's gonna have a lot of my spring and summer crops in it, and my seed stuff, I need to keep at least, and me, I'm trying to keep it 60 or above, okay. So in the evening time, my heat lamps will come on, and I'm comfortable with them staying on all night, because in chicken coops and stuff, I have had them running all night. They will be on only on the nights where we get below at least below 40, but below 60. Well, I could keep it 50 and up. I could keep it 50 and up, but it seems like they're gonna be heat lamps is gonna be running all through the winter, okay. anytime that our lows is, you know, in this, our lows is below 60. That's what it's gonna take for these greenhouses. Well, for the stuff that I'm growing in the greenhouse. Okay, so I went and I got some for my coops and stuff, but I wanted to buy two new ones because I already had the bulbs. All right, I wanted to buy 2 new ones just to have out here specifically for my greenhouses. So that's the way I'm gonna go for is heating, because I know that heater is pulling a lot, and I'm not comfortable with having that heater on all night. That's just me. I'm old school. Yeah, I'm 36, but I'm still old school. I don't like having those, like, no type of heater, space heater, nothing on overnight, especially out here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the type of heat lamps that I got. Got the one with the guards on them, because that's what I use for the baby chickens, when to keep them from burning themselves so much, like jumping up and burning. It's not the baby chickens, the regular chickens, when I had them in there. But I did go to Tractor Supply. They are $9.99 each, so $10 a piece. So I got two, because that's all I need. But before we get to that, I got to go ahead and try to trellis some of this stuff. So that's what I'm about to do. So I hope y'all enjoy this growing in the greenhouse.
You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you.
Alright y'all, so I got this heat lamp in here and we're gonna see how warm it keeps it in here. I'm hoping it do the trick. And there's nothing over tripping or anything like that because I have it in my other one. So we're gonna see how this works, how good this actually do. When the temp drop at night is when we're gonna be able to fix. Have you lost your mind, Summer? About to help you find it. We're gonna see y'all at the end. Well, when it get like cooler at night, if this is actually gonna keep this warm. So I'm about to go ahead. It says 63 degrees in here right now. I have the light on and I'll just have to come out here at night because these is gonna run overnight. The heat lamp is gonna run overnight. So what I'll do is come out in the evening time and turn the light off, or it depends on, because my greenhouse don't get a lot of sun, so that's why. So I have to see if I'm gonna let the light stay on and cut it off in the it ain't getting a lot of sun in the winter months. I don't know if I'm gonna let the lights run throughout the night. I don't know, I'll just figure out. But the heat lamp is definitely gonna stay on, y'all. So that's in this one. And let me go over here. I'm gonna go ahead and let this down. I've already watered in there and I trellised my peas. Okay, so I'm gonna let this down because I have tomatoes and stuff in this one. This is the one I hope to start squash and stuff, so that's why I wanted it some source of heat. So I'm gonna let this down and we're gonna see how much that actually heats it up. So let's go ahead and go over here to this one. We already just did that. Put the I don't have the guard on this one, and I may put the guard on it. I think I am, so probably have to cut it off real quick and put the guard on it, and that just helps from you hitting your arm or whatever, because this thing is hot. Okay, I'm gonna put the guard on it. Yeah, I'm gonna put the guard on it. Only thing I don't like about this one, these I didn't pay attention. My other heat lamps had switches. In order to cut this off, you gotta unplug it, y'all. What did you say? I can stand there and do what? I can stand there and do what? Did you say I could stand here and hush my mouth when I said I could help you? And did you say I'm making you burn your burgers? Your burgers? What?
I said you be worried about burning yourself.
You know what? Keep on, sir. Keep right on, sir. So, y'all, we want to put the guard on that one because I know I literally been burnt myself. Keep on, sir. Keep right on, sir. Keep right on, right on, right on.
Burn me.
Whatever. I think it's gonna do right when I zip tie it right here. Or you want to go on zip tie it? And that'll keep it from having that slack. I'm zip tie it, y'all. Yeah, the only thing I don't like, my other one's got a switch. You cut it on and off. This one I gotta come and plug it up and plug it and unplug it. When see, you hit it. And whatever thing when that guard went on there and that light was on, it was hot.
I'm worried about it.
Yeah. Alright. So let me plug it up, y'all. Then I can show you. Alright, y'all. So this how it look like in here. So this will be my lamp, my light. It has a switch. Cut it on and off. It's been in here, y'all. For when I'm not in here, I don't want it on me when I'm in here. So I cut it on and off. And then this heat lamp, I'm hoping is gonna do the trick for keeping it at a certain temperature in here. So hopefully we'll see how that works. If it's gonna do the trick, but that is what is going on with it right now. Alright, y'all, so Summer go see where she went. Here she go. So It is about almost midnight, okay? And y'all, summer be doing some everything. And it's about 40 degrees outside. All right. So I'm coming in to see how warm it is with the heat lamp. Let's see. It's saying that it is about 50 degrees in here. So let's make sure. I think this thing is in Celsius. It says 73 degrees Celsius. Who out here? Who out here? I thought one of them was out here. Okay, y'all. So I have to see what 73 degrees Celsius. I'll do that when I go back in. Let's go out here and go to the other greenhouse to see what the temp is. And that one is bigger. Whew. This one right here, I don't have one in. I just need to zip this down. Make sure I ain't looking in there, because I forgot. Y'all, look how it looks. I forgot to zip it close. Okay, well, let's go over here. This one I have another heat lamp in. Let's go. Because I don't know if that Dollar Tree thing is working. So let's see what it is. Yeah, well, it must be, because this one is saying 50.2. So it is working. I think it's working, because it's about 40 degrees outside. We're supposed to be, well, I say about 40, 41. He said it's gonna feel like 46 outside, because we're supposed to be a low of 41. Okay, and like I said, it's close to midnight. So I don't know if 2 of these in here would do the trick. I just don't know. But it's saying 50 degrees right now, and we ain't gonna drop too much lower, so it's like pretty much keeping it a few degrees above the outside temp. So I will have to see, but it's pleasant in here, you know. It's definitely warmer in here, of course, than it is outside. So yeah, so I'm happy with it. I just want to know, it's really going to tell on those nights we go down to 32 degrees and I come out when it's like 30 to see what the temp is. But I am going to cut this light off. All right, and this is how it's gonna look in here. Let's see something. Yeah, okay, I want to make sure that's not hot. That's how it's gonna look in here. So keep this heat lamp on, and hopefully it'll be fine. Let me go over here and cut the light off and this one, because I don't need the lights to stay on all night. I just need to give my plants on the days, the nights that it's not, the nights that the days that it's not as sunny out is when they need light. So I'm not keeping my lights on in my greenhouses all night. Nope. Okay, so just the heat lamp. So let me cut. Somebody come hold this. I'm gonna need a way to come out to see out. I'm just gonna cut these lights off in here. Oh, that's probably why I left it on a little bit. Cause I knew I had to come cut the light out. So, whew. I'm just gonna turn this serger off. So that is good. I guess I'll leave the string lights on. The other light is not on in there. And just leave the heat lamp on in there. And then I'll leave it just like that, y'all. I know it's all dark.